Hi, it's Todd Gross here, and let me state the obvious, huge flaw in AI videos to date. They simply haven't been consistent through an entire video funnel. And what good is that? Well, I want to introduce you to something that we've been working on that completely changes how video marketing funnels are created. Let me explain. Every real video funnel follows the same path. First, you generate traffic, then the traffic becomes leads, then those leads become customers, and if they don't convert immediately, you retarget them until they do. That's the entire process, from first click to lead to sale and even retargeting. That's the funnel. And until now, there has never been a way to maintain one consistent on-screen presence across that entire funnel automatically with AI. But Synthesys Actors changes that. It's the first AI video marketing system that lets you create complete funnels using one consistent AI character. From the very first traffic video to the sales video that closes the deal, and even the retargeting videos that bring prospects back. And the reason this is now possible is because Synthesys Actors unlocks something that simply wasn't scalable before. Long-form AI avatar video sales letters. That's right, long videos, not those short little ones. And instead of just telling you about it, I want to show you. So right now I'm going to let one of our AI actors explain exactly how this works.
Hello, I'm an AI actor created using Synthesys Actors. My role is to deliver your marketing message clearly across every stage of your funnel. I can appear in your short-form reel ads to catch your attention and introduce your offer. It can then reappear in your follow-up videos to build recognition and trust with your audience. When it's time to convert, I deliver full-length video sales letters that explain your offer and guide viewers toward taking action. Everything is generated automatically, allowing you to create consistent character video funnels faster than ever before.
And right there is the breakthrough. The same actor is attracting traffic, the same actor is building trust, the same actor is delivering your sales message, and the same actor retargets prospects who didn't buy the first time. From click to lead to sale and beyond, Synthesys Actors handles the heavy lifting automatically, from generating the script to structuring the message to producing the video itself. Now, in most cases, your videos will be ready to use immediately. And when you want to refine or polish them even further, you can. You can easily do so using simple free editing tools because the vast majority of the work has already been done for you. Now, here's what I recommend you do next. Directly below this section, you'll see a full training where we walk through exactly how Synthesys Actors work and how marketers and agencies are already using it to create complete video funnels. You'll also see examples of different types of videos that you can create, including traffic videos, retargeting videos, and full AI avatar sales videos. And finally, you'll have two options available on this page, including the commercial edition and the complete bundle, both available at special launch pricing that will not last. So scroll down, watch the training, and see exactly what Synthesys Actors can do for you. I think you'll be quite impressed.
If you purchase from the link in the description box, I am going to provide you a free bonus in order to gate that bonus. You can contact me on my Instagram. Send me a screenshot of your purchase, and I will send you the bonus.